third match of Group B. It's Bangladesh taking on Afghanistan. Bangladesh winning the toss and electing to bat first. Different venue. The first couple of games in Dubai, where the MO was slightly different. You won the toss and you wanted to bowl first on a pitch that had a long. Good start. Nice length. Bit of shape in the air. Again, not well played. Bowler searching for swing. Ended up being a juicy. This okay, Rahul get out in this fashion. Played on. Bowling. Great start for Afghanistan. That man does it. How many times he's done it for Afghanistan with the new ball?
Sanjay, I thought he was trying to playing more than 100 T20 international.
It's more like it.
Use it. And why not to? That looked very, very straight.
Outside off. Get back in line. Wickets hitting.
And it is Bangladesh this time who are under pressure. That's a beautiful shot. Not trying to overhit it through the leg side for four. Beautiful shot this time through the offside. Back-to-back boundaries for Bangladesh. That's a good comeback. Mushfiqur Rahim misses out.
Wade and those dots there.
Another one across the line and Najib picks up his third. This is brilliant from Afghanistan.
Followed him just a wee bit. Shakib outside leg stump, creating that extra width so he can hit off softly.
Another one across the line. The power play. Tucked away. Oh, it's close. It's close. It might be another one, is it?
Pitching outside, impact in line. Wickets hitting. Go to the outfield attack.
Not. Picking the googly this time with Noman wicket.
Also going back to the length, ideally speaking, and both of
is your first task. That's going to hang in the air, but can't quite get there.
Well, I do understand what you're saying, but I'm. Yep. Has he found the gap? No, he hasn't. Pick up a single of the left play.
Yeah, that's the surprise factor. I should go. A welcome boundary, finally.
Easy one.
And single will bring up the 50. 50 for 4. And Rashid is back.
Go some way.
Oh, that looks straight. Yes, the finger goes up.
Pitching in line, impact in line. Hitting. Go to Madan, please.
Big inside edge.
Oh, that was close. They'll get 4 runs. Bit like Hardik Pandya yesterday, coming in to the stumps, playing the ball.
The point we were discussing.
Bowling side, the injury time and the odd disruption into. Oh, great delivery. There's an appeal. He thinks it's got him stumped. Gurbaz is celebrating.
Yeah, some part is behind grounded. Set.
Oh dear. The slog. It hasn't worked today. Another wicket has fallen. Rashid Khan gets his
back. His hits, it's close. Full toss and using the pace. That is exquisite, opening up and hitting another boundary. The 100 comes up. Oh, exquisite again. He likes that area. Mossadegh, another boundary. Picked it, couldn't. There we go. Clever. They've found the boundary they so desperately need. First surprise from Mohammad Nabi, who won't bowl. That is clever. That is as good as it gets. Pace on. Oh, they're going to try and get through. It will be a run out. Mossa on 48, and that is a good delivery to finish. He will remain on 48. Dot ball.
They were the stars in that win against Sri Lanka. These two batters, the bowlers did a terrific job for Afghanistan, but the first ball, you can see Shakib is not going to try and turn. There he goes. Announces his arrival at the crease. That's Rahmanullah.
I think it's all.
Shakib with his third. Gets a wicket. It was coming because both batsmen were struggling to get away with it. It's a massive one.
It's Mahidi. Oh, and that is the luck that Afghanistan needed. There's a boundary. Great way to... That is power. Starts the over with a boundary, and now another one at the back end. Top ball to finish. That's the width. You can't bowl on the surface. Great shot.
To bowl. Because that would put...
There you go, the slow delivery punished this time. Has found the gap, Zazai. Bangladesh got quite a few spinning options. Oh, is that close? Yes, it is. The finger goes up.
Pitching outside on.
45 for 2 now. He's sir.
Considering I'm a fan of the game.
Percent. Wow. Having said that, oh, that's fine, and that's fine enough to get a boundary. 54.
Oh, it's got to be close and given. Picks up a wicket off the last ball. Brilliant. And he celebrates. Will they go on?
Yeah, I think so, because
this time it is well placed. There's the boundary.
what an amazing shot.
Oh, another one back to back. Slower delivery in the slot. Haven't seen too many boundaries. Just out there. Oh, it's into the crowd, is it? Huge six, much needed as well. Massive. That'll be a wide. This is up in the air. With the fielder getting underneath it, but it's gone far enough. A 6 in the last over and none. Oh, coming around the wicket as well this time. Changing the air, celebrating. Timed beautifully. He is playing a gem of an innings, and that is the 100er. This is in the gap too. Beautifully struck. What an innings from Najib. Over. Huge. That is incredible. Another 6. Wow. Go again. Go again. Have a day out. 5-6. And just 4 runs needed. Done again. Is that it? All the way. What a way to finish. Afghanistan celebrate a fine victory. And they celebrate qualifying.